Hey friends, hope you guys are doing well. I did my nails last night. Look how cute. So I got this new shape, this like short almond, and I'm here for it. And I love this color. It's like that sheer opaque light pink. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyways, I got a Target delivery, so let's do a quick haul. Got some Neutrogena makeup wipes. I got some more Maybelline Falsies. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I've used all different kind of brands, high-end, low-end, but drugstore mascara has always been my favorite. So I got some more of this. I got a new sugar scrub, the Tree Hut. I got the vitamin C. The one I have right now is watermelon, and I've had it for quite a while. Ooh, that smells nice. A good light fresh scent. But the watermelon one, because I've had it for so long, I just feel like it's time to replace it, you know, because it's kind of like moist in there. I don't know, time for a new one. I got some more wipes. These are the best wipes, trust me. Oh, I got these little Valentine's Day treats. It's like a little trail mix, strawberries and cream indulgent trail mix. They've got sweet cream almonds, heart-shaped coated pretzels, M&Ms. I'm gonna try some. They have a whole bunch of little Valentine's Day goodies, so I wanted to get something. Oh, these are so cute. I don't know what everything is in here, but those pretzels are bomb. My husband needed body wash, deodorant, and some batteries. I got a new shower curtain for our guest bath. Just like a simple, easy. It's definitely time to replace that one. I hate that I didn't do it before Christmas. I got some more dog treats. Frozen hash brown patties. Oh, okay, so I got some new plates. I really wanted to get some, like, I think they're called pasta plates, where it's basically like kind of a bowl, but kind of a plate. So cute. It's a dinner bowl, that's what it's called, a dinner bowl. So, you know, sometimes you just want your stuff to have like a little bit of, so I got 2 white ones and 2 black ones. So this was, I ordered this delivery. There's like no paper or anything. I'm really glad nothing was broken. Super cute. And these are like $4 a piece. They had some on Amazon, but those were cheaper. I think that's all I got. Today's Friday. I'm on my lunch break. Probably gonna go, what were those? Probably gonna go grab some lunch. We're gonna go for an evening walk, and then we have to do a Costco run. I also have to do a Whole Foods pickup, restocking on necessities and stuff. So I'll check in with you guys when something happens. Hi guys. All right, we are home from all of our errands. I'll do a quick Costco and Whole Foods haul. First thing sitting right here are these cookies. My husband is a sucker for these oatmeal raisin cookies. In recent videos, I told you guys that I put frozen chicken into the crock pot, and that has been like a super easy way to do meal prep. So I went to Costco and I got a big, huge bag, because the bag that I got from Target was like $13 for 2 pounds. This was like $18 for 10 pounds. I got some more cheese. Probably freeze one of those bags, because those big bags really last a long time. Got some chicken wings. These ones are frozen. They sound like they'll be really good in the air fryer to get nice and crispy. I just picked up a really big thing of some daily multivitamins. We are running low. Well, I'm running low. I have the women one, but I wanted to get one that my husband and I both can take. So I got a big thing of these. I got some turmeric, some B12. So we'll be adding this to our vitamin regimen. Okay, on to Whole Foods. I got some of these, everything with the bagels. I mean, everything bagels. I got stuff to make homemade pizza. We really enjoyed those last time, and we tried the dough from Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. The Whole Foods dough was way better. So we got more of that. This is the ancient grain pizza dough. I got some pizza sauce, pepperonis, and some pizza cheese. Got some almond milk. This is my favorite milk, is from Whole Foods. I love it. Spinach and arugula. Some bananas, Roma tomatoes, Sedano peppers, little onions, blueberry waffles, and maple syrup. And then I just got a bunch of breakfast turkey sausage. These are on sale for like under $5. So I got a couple of the turkey sausage and then the chicken sausage. That's it. I'm gonna put everything away. My husband and I are gonna get showered, get relaxed. We got a pizza from Costco, so we're just gonna chill, watch our show. Hi guys, just checking in. Made myself a smoothie. It's 1 o'clock, I'm on my lunch break. I'm gonna just do some editing. Going to maybe start pulling out clothes and start packing for my trip in a couple weeks. I tend to like something a little sweet in the afternoon, so this is kind of like a good pick-me-up. I almost made coffee, but decided against it. So I'm gonna charge this camera and then I'm gonna start pulling some pieces for my trip. Normally when I travel, I plan out every outfit for every day. I'm not gonna do that for some reason, just mentally I can't get there. Like I'm not thinking about what I'm doing each day. So I'm just gonna pack outfits that I think are cute, kind of bring like a good variety of outfits. So I'm gonna start pulling some stuff. I'll show you guys some of the things that I will be taking on my trip. It is gonna be pretty warm. It's like gonna be probably like high 60s. Really beautiful weather, so I'm really excited. So let's see what we're gonna pack. I just started to try stuff on. These are not finalized by any means, but this is a potential like daytime outfit. Depending on the weather, I'd put like a t-shirt or a tank top under this. But there is some biker shorts and this button up. Because it might be warm, you know, so I feel like shorts are okay to plan for. Another potential daytime outfit. So I just kept on the same biker shorts, put on this Selena tee and a denim jacket. It's like a lunch outing or something, shopping. Okay, so this is a potential going out outfit. I just have on this blazer with like a little black bralette, some black biker shorts. They're just kind of barely peeking through the bottom. And then I have on these really cool pumps. It's kind of a vibe, yes. Okay, another potential night outfit. I feel like it's kind of hard to see. It's this black blazer with these really baggy leather pants and some pointy boots. It's hard to see, but you're gonna have to see the real thing once I wear it and take a pic, so stay tuned. Good morning. Hey guys, today's Sunday. Don't mind the mess in the back. My office is under construction per usual. Just getting ready. We do have brunch plans today with some friends, which is exciting because we haven't been out to brunch in a while. So I'm looking forward to it. Coffee. What is it about like a new glass? It's just, love it. Just gonna get myself ready. I'm probably gonna record this and just kind of speed through, so let's get glam. Also, I'm gonna be listening to my best friend. She DJs and she just put out her first mix. It's called Hey Pretty Girl on SoundCloud. I will link it below. She's so talented, amazing. Absolutely love her mix. And that's what we're gonna listen to while we get ready. Shout out to DJ Darling Cool, my best friend Maddie. Love you so much and I'm so proud of you. This mix is everything. friends, we are ready to head to brunch. It's like a little gloomy outside, so I have on this coat. I got this sheer tank on, leather pants, and some sneakers. We haven't been to brunch in a while, so I'm pretty excited. May or may not have a brunch margarita. I don't know, I'm just feeling good today. It's a good day. It's gloomy. To be honest, I wanted to stay in bed all morning because it was cold. It's gloomy outside, but you know, we're getting out. Gonna meet up with some friends and have us a nice Sunday.
Feeling good. Happy Sunday. Yeah, I'm looking forward to brunch. It's been a while. Chicken and waffles do sound good. French toast sound good.
It's always so hard to choose once you get there. There's so many options, but. Hey guys, it is the next day. It's Monday. I'm on a lunch break. I'm just kind of working on getting my office nice and organized. I'm kind of just putting things in their place because there's been a lot of stuff kind of all over the place. So I'm just working on getting just like stuff off the floor. I had like a lot of like totes and stuff over here, but I did set up my desk. I mean, the decor and stuff I feel like is gonna come, but it's good to at least just have a place to sit. I've got my hair stuff in the corner over there because I do want to put my round mirror right here. Currently there. I do want to put the round mirror right there. That way it can be like double use, so I can use it for getting ready with my hair, and then also as like another desk for workspace. My little coworker right here. And this is just my makeup desk. It really hasn't changed. This is kind of where I'm going to keep my makeup and get ready. That's the office update. So I'm just working on that. We did find out that we're going out of town next week, kind of last minute. My husband has to go for work to Nashville for the week, so we're all going. It's kind of crazy timing because I leave for Phoenix next Sunday. So we're gonna be gone Monday through Friday in Nashville, and then I come back Friday and turn around and leave for Phoenix on Sunday. Well, anytime we travel, there's always just so much that happens around the time we travel, which is kind of ironic. I don't understand why that happens, but such is life. I'm excited because I like Nashville, and it's gonna be fun to just spend the week there and really just kind of hang out in the city. We're taking the dog, so it's gonna be a whole thing in itself. I could be really overwhelmed, but I'm choosing to be excited and optimistic. So I'll definitely be vlogging as much as I can while we are in Nashville. There will probably be a couple more vlogs before Nashville content starts, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're following me on IG and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog very soon. Bye.